Stop and stop traffic again, going nowhere fast, frustrating. Maybe just get out and walk. No reason to just sit or even stand there. Why not do something productive instead?
And if your train's on time, you can get to work by 9. So slave your night, your job to get paid. And if you ever feel annoyed, look at me, I'm self-employed.
Smartphones or handhelds are illegal, anytime and all the time, and we're behind our wheels, even when stopped up in the traffic.
Every day, taking care of business every way. Taking care of business, it's all mine.
We can be completely and visibly stopped up and jammed up in the traffic, stationary, basically parked, and cannot legally use our handheld devices. Big Auto all has computerized dashboards nowadays. Cops and government and utility vehicles all have onboard computers. Large screen devices are much safer, legal. Big Auto has them on all their new vehicles. Safe reviewability and even operability. Handhelds and smartphones with their pack to operate on the down low, out of cops and camera eye shot are hazardous, as you well know.
Tell them that you like it this way. It's a work that we avoid and we're all self-employed. I love to work and nothing all day, and I've been taking care of business.
We're not the first device holders to come down the pike. We're the best. This is not our first rodeo neither. This is what we do. Custom carpentry. Armadillos highlight any vehicle's interior with beautifully stained and finished hardwood. Armadillos are not some cheap, imported, plastic injected garbage neither. We make them right here in the USA with select grade premium hardwood to last forever. It's not rocket, it's wood. Wood lasts a lifetime. Traffic on the move again. I think I'll pass this joker. Excellent. Moves up a few car lengths. Ha! Here, stopped at a traffic light, exercising some of my liberties in a 94 Jeep Liberty. We fit them all, cars and trucks and SUVs. And safely and legally and comfortably and productively, finger mouse, finger rolling, scrolling, surfing. Social networking is a breeze. I get all my social networking done and out of the way while out and about before getting home. Twitter's next. Handhelds and smartphones are hazardous and illegal anytime and all the time, and we're behind our wheels. Large screen devices are much safer and legal. Be it at a traffic jam or a traffic light, it really doesn't matter with an armadillo and laptop in tow. And safely and comfortably and legally and productively surfing. Big Auto all has computerized dashboards on their new vehicles nowadays. I have the finger mouse down low out of eye shot for the ease of use and the safety factor. We'll bring it up to show you. There are many ways to control our computers. Sitting stopped up in traffic is not healthy. Just go to our initial post for lowdown and links about traffic's effect on our health. Sitting here at this light. Some lights are longer than others with the turn arrows. Good thing there's no traffic jam. Although traffic or just a traffic light doesn't much matter anymore. I am never just sitting wallowing miserably and frustrating while stopped up. I'm always able to do what I want. I think I'll take it on over to Facebook and see what's going on over on my wall. It's just a click away. It's all just a click away. Okay, who posted that? Why would anybody post that? I gotta share that there. Wait, I like that one. Oh, I got some friend requests. What is up with that post? Outrageous, I tell you. Well, off to LinkedIn. See what's going on in the business world. At LinkedIn. Oh wait, I like that post. I got some contact requests. Who is that? Gotta share that there. Light's about to go green. Been stopped here for a while. Going to switch to GPS. Laptops can be a GPS with a receiver that plugs into the USB port. Surf some at that light safely, legally, comfortably, and productively. So now when I do get home, I can devote and spend my quality time focused with my family instead of the internet. Thank you for your time. We'll get out and walk. Welcome to D2D, Dashboards and Desktops, proud makers of the Armadillo car and truck deck. We offer many sizes for all devices and all vehicles. This Armadillo is about the size of a guitar and weighs in at a mere 3.5 pounds. We meticulously carve out the components to reduce the weight, increasing the structural integrity while still maintaining the wood's natural beauty. We offer a lockable, busy Susan safety swivel, which makes for convenient operations as well as allows the desktop to swivel clear for quick placement or removals to the back seat or trunk. We have a new paddle option or classic fork option, both of which are dependent on driving habits, devices, and the vehicle. We offer device holders and device holder slots carved into our tier blocks. We provide 2 clear suction cups and a spacer, which is dashboard dependent. We also carve in suction cup nesting dimples to additionally secure the components. Our armadillos are skillfully crafted from select grade premium wood. We fit each armadillo prior to shipping based on your vehicle and order spec. Leaving the cups intact enables the 1-second removal or placement, whether miserably jammed up in traffic or stationary and parked. D2D offers an effective and safe means by which to buy the time. Thank you for your time.